Pag-aralan ng wasto, panatiling sariwang hangin.
Sabi po sa item number 3, section 10 of DAO 2014-02, duties and responsibilities of accredited PCOs. Attend to all permitting and registration requirements of the establishment prior to the construction, installation, or operation of pollution sources and control facilities. So, nababasa natin dito sa Section 10 kung ano ang gampanin ng isang accredited PCO. At unang-unang sinambit dito ang attend to all permitting requirements. May mga kadalasan mga permits na kino-comply ng isang establishment bago yung construction, bago ang installation, bago ang operation. Halimbawa, meron kang isang sewage treatment plant o wastewater treatment plant para sa iyong project. Bawa, isang commercial mall, meron kang itatayong wastewater treatment plant. Kailangan magkaroon muna ng discharge permit. Yun ang kailangan mong unahin. Sabi dito, prior to the construction, installation, or operation of pollution sources. Maraming mga pollution sources. Kung magtitingin tayo ng Section 4, ang pollution sources, dinefine po ito, a process, an equipment, or facility installation that discharges solid, liquid, or gaseous waste to the environment. Ang pollution control facility naman, any structure including but not limited to contrivance, facility, system, device, or mechanism which can adequately control and or abate liquid or gaseous waste or sound pollution within allowed quality of standards of DENR. So dito sa item number 3 or the number 3, duties and responsibilities of accredited PCO, siguruhin natin na merong permit ang ating mga pollution sources. Halimbawa, meron tayong generator set, boiler, fuel storage tank, mga source of air pollution ito. So before construction, installation, operation, dapat i-apply ng permit ito. May mga pagkakataon ang ating mga source of water, land, air pollution ay kailangan ng control facility to ensure na mag-comply sa standard set by DNR. So pati yon kailangan siguruhin na kasama sa permitting. Now, in some cases, may mga registration requirements din ng establishment. Like for example, yung dito sa company registration system na kailangan merong registration ang company. So ito ang isa sa mga priority natin that before construction, installation, or operation, yung registration gagawin. Marami pang ibang mga registration maliban sa registration of company profile to the company registration. Meron din yung sinasabi sa DNR Administrative Order 2013-22. Sinasabi nga dito, especially on the management of hazardous waste, sabi sa chapter 3, I will read. Sabi dito sa chapter 3, Yan, 3.3. I read, waste generators are required to register online and pay the registration fee to the EMB regional office having jurisdiction over the location of the waste generator. A DENR ID number shall be issued. So doon sa mga nag-generate ng hazardous waste, may registration requirements. Kahit yung mga nagta-transport ng hazardous waste, sabi dito sa Chapter 4 ng DAO 2013-22, a person who wishes to be registered as waste transporter by the DNR shall register online. So kapag may mga activities tayo, construction, installation, or operation of pollution sources and control facilities, kailangan i-attend ito ng accredited PCO. So each establishment with accredited PCO must attend to all permitting and registration requirements. Permitting, pwede nating balikan, ECC or CNC, discharge permit, permit to operate, hazardous waste generator registration certificate, permit to transport, CCO, PCL, ang dami yan. At sa registration requirements gaya ng company registration system, hazardous waste generator registration, transport registration, TSD registration. Mga ito ang duty and responsibility of an accredited PCO. Item number 3, attend to all permitting and registration requirements of the establishment prior to the construction, installation, or operation of pollution sources and control facilities. May genset ba tayo dyan? May permit ba? May mga wastewater treatment plant ba tayo dyan? May permit ba? Meron ba tayong mga hazardous waste generation? Registered ba tayo as waste generator? So, kailangan mong siguruhin na makomply ang requirements na yan. Madali na ngayong panahon kasi meron na tayong mga online transactions. May mga online permitting and monitoring system. Meron din tayong mga online reporting. So, madali na ang mga bagay-bagay na ito. Okay? So, kung mag-a-apply ka ng ECC, pwede ng online. Magre-register ka as waste generator, pwede ng online. So, for example, we will apply for ECC. Just type ECC online. Yan na yung ECC online application system. Gusto mo mag-apply ng CNC, type ka lang CNC online. Makakarating ka na sa mga platform natin. Apply ka ng discharge permit, you can go to online permitting and monitoring system. Sa pag-apply ng discharge permit, permit to operate, CCO, SQI, PCL, PMPIN, o mag-apply ka o magre-register ka as waste generator, pupunta ka dito sa Hazardous Waste Management System. So itong item number 3 ay huwag kalimutan bilang accredited PCO.